Hi, Kevin. This is Kim, your tutor. Just wanted to say hello and hope that you are doing good in school from your home and that you're getting to listen to the stories that I'm reading to you and following along. I'm going to read a story today for you called The Blue Bunny. The Blue Bunny. I see a blue bunny. Is it real? I see a red duck. Is it real? I see a green monkey. Is it real? I see a purple dog. Is it real? I see a yellow cow. Is it real? I see a pink mouse. Is it real? Oops, I fell asleep. I was dreaming. I see a black and white horse. Is it real? It is not a horse. It is a zebra. Yes, it is real. I hope you liked that story. I thought it was pretty cute. And that little pink mouse, adorable. Do you remember what color is the duck? I think that's right. Do you know where does she see a zebra? Yes, that's right. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. I'm going to read you another story here shortly.